Hello, madam. I'm very sorry, madam. I'm very late.
It's okay.
Hey.
So
for those things, what is the radio?
The radio is there, yes.
Okay, when did he stop talking?
It stopped working yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah, I've got it. So, when did you get this radio?
It's from my grandfather before he died.
Yes,
Give
because
it to me.
I was just thinking, where did you buy this old model thing from? Because it's an old model thing, and these things they used to use the batteries, but now they are using the electricity. So your grandfather died?
He died a long time ago.
Okay, all right. So you are eating the inheritance of your grandfather? You are enjoying it now?
You can call it that.
Yes, because when your grandfather or your grandmother leaves things when they die, you say it's the inheritance. So you don't want it even it died, also it doesn't talk. You want it to talk. That's what you want, to enjoy the inheritance of your grandfather. It's good. It's good because when he's talking, you'll be thinking of your grandfather, which is good. So this radio, I told you, maybe, which programs do you not want to miss?
The news.
The news, very good, very good. You don't want to miss the news because the news, it's only 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So it's good for the radio because it needs to rest, the radio. Like I told you, it's used to the batteries. So now because you are using electricity, when the time comes to rest, it wants to rest. Your grandfather, when the batteries were off, dead, when the time he was going to the shops to buy the batteries, it was resting. You must do the same. If you don't do that, you can put this to cool it. It's cold. Can you hear it? It's cold. So what you do is now it's talking. It's talking. Can you hear? It's talking. So if it gets hot, the high blood pressure also gets high for the radio, and then it has palpitations, and then it dies, it stops talking. So don't do that. Don't do that, madam. Okay, you keep this. Put my money in my account. It's 25. Okay, it's now talking. Bye-bye.